Welcome to Vlogmas Day 19. So let's do the countdown. So today is the 19th of December and we have already done the countdown, and the weather was very cold today, but I'm still getting better, so that's good. And today I was out because I went to get my eyelashes done. So I got the classic style lash extension from Bina Didi. She runs the Sprinkle Studio in Jordan. So these are done by her and they look so pretty. I'm getting ready for the holidays, so it's really pretty. Now I don't have to put a lot of makeup on my eye. If I just do light eyeshadow or light eyeliner at the edge, it should be enough. I don't even need to put eyeliner anymore. So for today I don't have much plans. I need to pack some gifts for my colleagues and for my students. Also, I will try to bake some cookies later, but I'm not going to start from scratch. So I had bought this gingerbread dough which was frozen from IKEA. So for this one I need to defrost it first, and then I need to knead it so that it becomes softer, and then I can make it into flat shape and use my new cookie cutter, and I hope it works. But this is a small package, so I don't think I can make a lot of cookies, but I still want to bake cookies for Christmas. So I think this is a good product for people who are working, who don't have enough time to start everything from scratch, so they can just buy the ready-made dough that are frozen. So this one is 500 grams. So this product is from Sweden, and I hope we can have more of these products in Hong Kong, so it's easier for us to bake cookies. But if you have enough time, then you can of course start everything from scratch. It would be much cheaper, and you can also bake in large quantity. But for people who don't have enough time, this is really good. So I have wrapped my chopping board in cling film because I don't have any working place that's flat, and I have taken out the frozen dough. It has already been defrosted. So I'm going to now knead it. I couldn't find my ruler, so I just tried to flatten it out with hand. Okay, so this is the cookie cutter. So designed. And I put this on my baking tray. Cute. I hope it gets cooked. This one was more sticky and difficult to get, so it got stuck in this curved area. The shape is not that great. I'll try a few more. I managed to make one snowflake, and the broken one I put it back and kneaded it again and made more gingerbread man. And this is how they look. So the next batch is also ready, and I have used up my dough and I couldn't make a proper gingerbread man with the remaining, so I made them into circles. I have let them cool down in oven first and then taken them out to cool outside. And that's the second batch. I have overcooked them a little bit.